547. Fifth Emma, time to report.
The National Weather Service in Albany, New York has issued a tornado warning for Albany County in eastern New York, Scott Ferry County in eastern New York, Schenectady County in eastern New York, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:35 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicates several tornadoes across Albany, Scott Ferry, and Schenectady counties. These tornadoes are moving east at 50 miles per hour. Damage has been reported from these storms. This is a dangerous situation. Take cover now. These tornadoes will be near 5 miles south of Delanton at 4:35 p.m. Altamont at 4:45 p.m. 5 miles south of Rotterdam at 4:50 p.m. 5 miles north of Westner at 4:50 p.m. Colonia at 4:55 p.m. Latham at 5 p.m. Coles at 5:05 p.m. If you live in this area, be ready to see killer in the basement or small interior room on the lowest level, away from windows.
Squadron leader, Cunningham Jarvis at your service, my dear.
Dr. Swan would like a word with you about your wife.